welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I do my at-home gel manicure that lasts for 2 to 3 weeks. I'm starting off this manicure I've had on for about 3 weeks. I want to remove it, so I take these remove wraps. These are awesome because they are pre-cut little foil and they have a little cotton pad on there, so I just put some acetone on there and I put it around each finger and I let it sit for about 10 minutes. After about 10 or 15 minutes, you can take the foil off and you can start scraping away the polish. I'll link all the products down below, but the polish at this point is usually pretty gummy. It's easy to get off, but if it isn't coming off like all the way at the tip of the nail, sometimes it's hard to get off. I'll go ahead and put that foil back on and let it sit for another couple of minutes and then try again instead of damaging my nail. Okay, once you have all the polish off, you want to go ahead and shape your nail and buff your nail. I love this buffer because it really makes the nails super smooth and even, so there's no line or texture to your nail. The polish will adhere a lot better, and this also gets rid of any leftover polish or dirt or anything like that. So it's really important to buff your nails, and then you can file them in any shape that you like. Today I went for an almond shape, but most of the time I do a square shape. I'll make sure to link my file and my buffer below. This is like the best file ever. It works so well and fast. Here you guys can see the difference between the two shapes, the almond or kind of like the squoval shape. I like both. Next, I'm taking these little lint-free pads. They're great for like applying acetone with, so you don't get any like fuzz or anything like that on your fingers. You want to make sure they're really clean. So I just go over with acetone one more time to make sure the nail is super dry. Then I actually go in with a dehydrator. The dehydrator is super important to make sure this manicure lasts a good 2, 3, even 4 weeks. They need to be super tried out. We can go ahead and add cuticle oil and stuff after, but you just want to make sure the nail bed is really dry so the polish adheres. Then I'm going to go in with my base coat. I do a thin layer of base coat and then I cure it one time. Next, you can choose your color. I personally love a nude, white, or a light pink. Today I'm going with nude. I think that always looks really pretty with an almond nail shape. This is my favorite brand. It's called Red Carpet. It really does last like 2 or 3 weeks in your nails. It's awesome. So I went ahead and did one coat, cured it, and then did another coat and cured it. Sometimes I cure it under the light twice just to make sure it really lasts, but you can do 2 or 3 coats depending on what you need, but I only went for 2 coats today. Of course, add your top coat to make it super glossy. Make sure you do very thin, even coats of polish. This will just ensure that it doesn't look lumpy or bumpy. I cure that one time. And then the final step is just to clear off that like tacky residue. So you just take that lint-free pad and a little bit of acetone and rub over the nail gently. They are completely dry. You can go ahead and do whatever you want now. I did have to file just a little bit. If you have any uneven edges or anything, you can go ahead and fix that up. Add some cuticle oil and some hand cream and your manicure is complete. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you're new. I make new videos every week. See you guys next time. Bye.